tayo. I'd like to ask our brand ambassadors, ano yung mga life wins nyo lately? Para naman good vibes.
Yung makatabi mo si Papa P. Kasama mo si Mateo Vinicius. Wow. Di ba, naipasok mo lang. Naipasok mo lang, hala. Sige, sabi Papa P. Ako, nasagot ko na.
Ako, I can relate with you, Sarah. Life win ko din siya today.
Pino.
Ako rin. Life win ko rin.
Makita mo si Papa P.
Kaninong life win ang makita si Papa P today?
They inspire, on a serious note, Papa P is very, very inspiring, Papa P. Piolo's really inspiring. Because, Sarah always tells me that, tingnan mo si Piolo, he's, 39 years old? He's 39 and he looks so, talagang fit and he's glowing and everything. So every time I see him, I always ask him, bro, what do you do? And he says he eats once a day. So we try what we can.
Okay lang kinakaya eh.
Grabe yung once a day. Oh my God. Ikaw, Papa P, what's your recent life win?
Oh, I guess work-wise, you're busy. You're doing a lot of things. I just came back from a tour in the States. We're able to do a series of shows and then back to work and then I'm doing another movie. So I guess, all these things, they accumulate and you feel better because you get to be productive.
Oo nga, and of course, dahil passion mo yan, diba? Now, speaking of passion, of course, all of us, we have things that we want to pursue, yung mga passions natin.